Have you ever wondered how a manager knows what decision to take for the business? For example, should the company increase production? Should it control its expenses? Or what should it plan for the future? The answer lies in one very important thing, that is information. And this is where management accounting comes into the picture. Hello everyone, I am Srishti and welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to understand the meaning, definitions and nature of management accounting. So let's begin. Meaning of management accounting. Let's understand what exactly management accounting means. The term management accounting simply refers to accounting for management. In simple words, management accounting provides the necessary accounting information to the management so that managers can perform their functions effectively. Now you might be thinking, what are the main functions of management? The major functions are planning, organizing, directing and controlling. So management accounting provides information that helps management in performing all these functions. Let's understand with a simple example. Suppose the company wants to increase its production next year. Before taking this decision, management needs information. How much are the current sales? What are the expenses? How much capital is available? And what could be the expected future situation? Management accounting helps provide relevant information for such planning and decision making. Therefore, we can say that management accounting helps management in planning, organizing, directing and controlling business operations in an orderly manner. Definition of management accounting. Now let's look at the formal definitions. According to the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, management accounting is the application of professional knowledge and skill in preparing accounting information in such a way that it assists management in formation of policies and planning and control of the operations of the undertaking. इसका मीनिंग है कि अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन को सिर्फ प्रिपेयर करना इनफ नहीं है, उस इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऐसे प्रिपेयर और प्रेजेंट किया जाना चाहिए कि मैनेजमेंट उसका यूज़ पॉलिसीज़ बनाने, प्लानिंग करने और बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कर सके. Another definition was given by the management accounting team of the Anglo-American Council of Productivity. According to this definition, management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in creating policies and creating out the day-to-day operations of an undertaking. अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन को मैनेजमेंट के लिए यूजफुल फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट किया जाता है ताकि मैनेजमेंट बेटर पॉलिसीज क्रिएट कर सके और बिजनेस को डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस को एफिशिएंटली मैनेज कर सके. Nature of management accounting. Now comes an important part of today's lecture, nature of management accounting. नेचर का सिंपल मीनिंग है मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग की मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है. देयर आर 5 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज कंसर्न्ड विद द फ्यूचर. First point is management accounting is concerned with the future. Financial accounting generally tells us about what has already happened, but management accounting helps management in planning for the future. इसके अंदर प्रोजेक्शंस बनाए जाते हैं और फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन के लिए डिसीजंस लिए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ ए कंपनी वांट्स टू एस्टिमेट इट्स फ्यूचर सेल्स और एक्सपेंसेस, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन कैन हेल्प मैनेजमेंट मेक दोज प्लान्स. सो रिमेंबर, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज इक्वल टू फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड. सेकेंड पॉइंट, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज सिलेक्टिव इन नेचर. अब इसका मतलब क्या है. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में बहुत सारा डेटा अवेलेबल होता है, बट मैनेजमेंट को हर सिंगल पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग सिर्फ वही डेटा सिलेक्ट करता है जो रिलेवेंट और यूजफुल हो फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैनेजमेंट को किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में डिसीजन लेना है तो उस डिसीजन से रिलेटेड रिलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगी. सो मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग फोकसेज ऑन रिलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, नॉट अननेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन. Now the third one is management accounting does not follow set rules and formats like financial accounting. Financial accounting में specific rules, principles and formats follow किए जाते हैं because its information is presented for external users and legal purposes. But management accounting का main focus होता है utility of information, मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट के लिए कितनी यूजफुल है. इसलिए मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग में इंफॉर्मेशन को मैनेजमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग प्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है. So the important thing here is management accounting focuses on usefulness rather than a fixed format. So the fourth point is very important. Management accounting provides data, not the decision. Management accountant relevant information और data provide कर सकता है, but final decision management खुद लेती है. For example, management accounting may provide information about sales, expenses, profits and different variables. But whether the company should expand its business or not, that decision depends on the efficiency and wisdom of management. So remember, management accounting provides information and management makes the decision. Now the fifth point is management accounting stresses on cause and effect relationship. इसका मीनिंग समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग सिर्फ ये नहीं देखता है कि प्रॉफिट या लॉस कितना हुआ, इट ऑल्सो ट्राइज टू एनालाइज वाई द प्रॉफिट और लॉस इज more or less compared with the previous period. For example, suppose last year company's profit was higher, but this year profit has decreased. Management accounting will try to analyze the reasons behind this change. It may study different variables such as sales, capital employed, and expenditure. In other words, it tries to understand the relationship between a particular cause and its effect on business performance. For example, if expenditure increases, what effect does it have on profit? If sales increase, what happens to profit? This analysis helps management understand the reasons behind changes in business performance. So before we end today's lecture, let's quickly revise what we have learned. Management accounting means accounting for management and provides useful information for management functions such as planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. And the fifth important characteristics of management accounting are: first, it is concerned with the future; second, it is selective in nature; third, it does not follow set rules and formats like financial accounting; fourth, it provides data, not the decision; and fifth, it stresses on cause and effect relationships. And that's all for the lecture 1 of management accounting. I hope this lecture helped you understand not just the definitions but also the actual meaning behind management accounting. In the next lecture, we will continue with the next concept of management accounting. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.